Built to withstand demanding work environments, the heavyweight diamond plate steel pegboard and shelving system from Knape and Vogt is your first choice for garage, shed, and workshop storage. You've never seen anything this durable. Every piece of the heavyweight system is diamond plate embossed, Super Duty steel construction with a durable platinum powder coat finish. The easy-to-install system is based on a hang track designed to be 2 times stronger than other hang tracks. Add on the heavy-duty wall standards for a structure that holds up to 2,000 pounds. The shelf brackets hold a maximum of 250 pounds each, while the supported brackets hold up to 500 pounds each. Both types of brackets can support deep shelving. The standard brackets hold 12 to 18-inch shelving, while the supported brackets hold 16 to 24-inch shelving. And a pair of these brackets is so sturdy, they can support the weight of your work surface. The embossed steel shelf edge strengthens shelves to prevent sagging and protects from chipping and denting. KV Heavyweight Pegboard with its patented embossed pattern is the only diamond plate pegboard you can buy. Its rust-resistant galvanized finish offers extra strength, stability, and durability while adding distinctive style to your garage or workshop. Even the peg hooks are made from heavy-duty wire gauge with a durable black epoxy finish, and they're available in the most popular peg hook designs. The heavyweight diamond plate steel pegboard and shelving system from Knape and Vogt gives you the heavy-duty storage you've always wanted and will last for years to come.